Coco, now your mouth be sharp.
Speak now, I command you.
Did Anaya came here? You asked me to search her. When I was searching, I felt something around her tummy, and she signaled me not to say anything. So I was telling mom that I think Anaya
He's what?
is pregnant.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl again, and as I would always say, ho 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 ho, season's greetings to you all. Okay, so I bring you guys another new movie today. The name of this movie is A Christmas Proposal. Now, this movie is starring Etim Effiong, Ekama Etim Inyang, alongside other amazing actors, actresses, cast, and crew. Okay, so let me say Merry Christmas to you all again. I hope you guys are all in the Christmas spirit. Okay, I know the economy is hard. If you're watching from Nigeria, I know the economy is hard, but please don't let it get to you. Don't put so much pressure on yourselves. Okay, so just get a glass of Coke, a glass of fresh juice, a glass of wine, anything you have, and some popcorn, and relax and watch this movie. Now, this movie is practically about a young man who was in an accident and lost the use of his legs. And you know, when you find people in such situations, they usually don't have the hope of ever falling in love again. Okay, the facts or the thought of love seems very bleak to them because the first thing in their head is always who would love them in that condition. So now, this young man, though he's a CEO, he's well to do, he has an accident, so of course that thought is bleak to him. And then his mom's PA comes in. She's a beautiful, hardworking young lady. And the first time he saw her, he could not take his eyes off of her. And it turns out that, yes, she's this kind of lady that doesn't really care about physical, whatever is going on physically, she loves deeply. Okay. And she falls in love with him. They start dating, everything is going well. But before they started dating now, the boy's parents saw that, okay, this boy is interested in this girl. He seems happier, he seems livelier. So they came up with a plan. They thought of an idea whereby they pay the girl to date him for a period of time, for how long ever she wants to date him. I think they said they were going to pay her 500,000 every month. But then they tell his sister to sell the idea to her. Now, the sister goes ahead and lies and says that yes, she sold the idea to her, and yes, she agreed, and so they are paying her 500,000. But the long and short of it was, the girl was never paid, the girl was never told about the idea. The sister pocketed that money for her own business because her business was going down. And instead of her to just come out and tell her parents her business is going down, she decided to use that strategy to keep on collecting the money to build her business back. And now, of course, there's always that last born that is a parrot that can never shut up. And when she heard about the plan, she, of course, thought, okay, this girl is using my brother. And she goes ahead to tell her brother. And her brother, who is deeply in love with this girl, he grew in contempt, he grew disdain, he grew hatred for her. He didn't want anything to do with her because he thought that she was only with him for the money. But then finally they find out the truth that yeah, she genuinely loved him. She knew nothing about the idea. The parents were mad at their daughter for even deceiving them too because they practically thought that the girl was dating their own son for the money, but unfortunately she wasn't. And then she gets pregnant, and yeah, it took some time, yes, but they reconciled, and all is well that ends well. In the Christmas spirit and the spirit of love, yes, all that ends well. Okay, so guys, head over and watch this movie. You can watch this movie at Udwak Isong TV. Okay, the name of the movie again is A Christmas Proposal. So guys, the moral of this story is wherever you find love, be there. I've seen situations of people dating or getting married to people who are in quotes, we call them dwarfs in Nigeria. I've seen people getting married to physically challenged people. I've seen people getting married to people with hunchback, people who can't use their legs, who can't use their hands, some people who can't even see. Just wherever you see love, stick there. Thank you. Bye.